Okay, 1999 Toyota 4Runner SR5 four-wheel drive Sport. The trim level doesn't really matter. It's about the same for a 96 to an 02 since they're all the same, vehicle body style essentially. In here, I've got two brand new 17-inch Michelin Endurance XT silicon beam wipers. You can pick these up at like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or Walmart. It's usually a little cheaper, but mine are definitely due for some new ones. So the reason I'm replacing mine is if you lift this up, you'll notice that the silicon blade is actually detached from the wiper, so they're definitely due for some new ones. When using them, they just leave massive streaks and they're basically useless at this point. Alright, and if we compare the two, it looks like they're the exact same size. So that seems good there. This one does seem just a tiny bit shorter. Let's go ahead and remove these old ones. Do that. And pop that open. And this will slide backwards. And this is the attachment we're using here. The kit comes with a whole bunch of attachments. And since wipers are fairly universal, it came with all sorts of weird attachments. Here on the instruction manual, you'll see that we have this kind of wiper where it has the hook up here in the top left corner. Then there's all these other types. Those are not applicable here. So in that case, go ahead and slide this on. Push forward. It says that's locked on there. And then these plastic end caps just slide off. And we can gently set that back down. Now we can repeat to the other side. In my case, I'm running two 17-inch wipers. Now we can repeat to the other side. Slide this off. Slide this side off. Lift up on the wiper arm. So this one we pull outwards on each side. Swing that open. Slide this backwards. And this is the hook shape I was referring to. And we can go ahead and slide that on there. Alright, that's pretty secure. You want to wiggle it around a whole bunch. One time I installed wipers and they literally flew off about 10 seconds down the road when I went to use them during a rainstorm. Great, and there we have it.